Linkevap Electric Callus Remover promises spa-like foot care from the comfort of your home, featuring pressure-adaptive technology that adjusts based on how hard you press, making the process painless and supposedly safe for regular use. It boasts a quick 1-hour recharge time with up to 100 minutes of use, which sounds perfect for frequent users or those always on the go. When it comes to actual performance, it genuinely delivers on several fronts. It's highly effective at removing thick, stubborn calluses and rough patches, and after just one use, feet feel noticeably smoother, softer, and cleaner. The fast 360 roller combined with multiple speed settings allows for a customizable experience depending on your needs, and its lightweight ergonomic design makes it super easy to maneuver without causing wrist strain. It's compact enough to toss into a travel bag, making it a great companion for trips. However, not everything is flawless. There are mixed reviews about its battery life. Some users report the battery lasts as advertised, while others mention that it drains faster over time, especially after a few months of use. Another common concern is durability. While it feels decent out of the box, some users have experienced the device slowing down or even malfunctioning after extended use. And then there's the price. While some feel it's worth the investment for the results, others argue that similar results can be achieved with more affordable alternatives or manual foot files. Overall, the Linkevap Electric Callus Remover does what it claims to do in terms of callus removal and ease of use, but whether it's a must-have or just a decent gadget depends on your expectations for longevity and value for money. It's not a total game-changer, but it's also not a scam, just somewhere in the middle, delivering solid short-term results with a few long-term question marks.